Hi, this is Steve Rodriguez with ViewSonic, and we're here at AVI Live in San Diego featuring some of the Pro AV ViewSonic products that we sell and offer to the Pro AV world. We're doing a quick scan on some of our media players, our digital signage, our ultra short throw projectors, wireless projectors, curved monitors, etc. But the main focus today is our large format displays here, which are our CDE series coming from 32 inches all the way up to 98 inches. These are true commercial grade. And then our flagship product is our IFP interactive flat panels for both education and enterprise. Here we have our IFP 6550 series. What's beautiful about the IFPs, it's a complete solution that's interactive whiteboard with a software that's proprietary to us, but it's an open architecture to everything. So whether you're looking to do interactive collaboration, sharing, whiteboarding, the biggest thing is today's meetings are more about collaborative technology all in one, and we at ViewSonic specialize in that. With this product, our software is open architecture, as I said, and it's a free software. It works with everything. So if you'd like to learn more about ViewSonic and all that we do, go to viewsonic.com, and you can check our website out where we have things where it could be education or commercial grade enterprise solutions, Pro AV space. Once again, thank you so much. Steve Rodriguez from ViewSonic here at AVI Live in San Diego.